2025 in less than 3 days, and this is how I'm looking. I'm looking literally so blah, and I do have like food marks on my t-shirt, which I'm literally so embarrassed right now. But we are going to fix everything. We're going to fix literally everything from the hair to the skin to our body. Let's get it started. I definitely need a glow up, and let's be real, you do too. So in today's video, we are going to do my overnight glow up routine, something that I like to follow on days like these when we are all crusty, musty and messy. So if you guys are interested, let's get started. So I'm starting with my hair because I think my hair is in a much, need for a glow up. This is how my hair is looking like. Not so good. I'm keeping it pretty simple today, and I'm just going in with a coconut oil. This is all that I'm actually going to be using for my scalp. So while the hair oil is soaking in, I'm going to cleanse my skin using a cleansing oil. You could definitely use whatever cleansing oils you have at home. This step helps to remove makeup, sunscreen, and basically any impurities. It also dissolves excess sebum, and I definitely have like a lot of sebum all around my nose and my chin. I'm going to add in a little bit of water. Face wash, I'm using the Moody's Hydro Burst Foaming Face Wash. Next, I'm going to be using a nose strip because honestly, I cannot do without these. These are my ride or die, literally, and anytime I have to glow up, this is something I cannot miss. While the nose strip is working, I'm going to go in and shave my face. I'm using this oil from Minimalist. It's their squalene oil, and it's just like to apply, a decent amount all across my face, especially the areas where I'm shaving. You could just use whatever you prefer using. You could even use aloe vera gel, but since it's winter, I prefer to use an oil. Shaving is done, you guys, and I literally feel so good already. The next step is to go in with a face mask. I'm going to do all of these skincare steps that I usually do after a shower. I prefer to do it before a shower because of the face mask that I'm using today. It is a DIY face pack, and this face pack is something I only prefer using like before hopping to the shower, because it can get a little messy if you do it after shower. Also, it's been around 10 minutes. I'm going to take this off. There is so much gunk on this, like it's so satisfying to actually watch this every time I do this step. For my face mask, I'm going in with 2 teaspoons of multani tea. I am like such a huge fan of this powder, you guys. Like, it just brightens up my skin and removes out so much of dirt and impurities from within. And I'm going in with 2 teaspoons of Greek yogurt. This is how I like my face packs to be, like not runny at all. And when it turns runny, it just does not work like on my skin. So this is literally the consistency I prefer. Face mask is on, but I do have like a lot remaining in this, so I'm just going to apply this on my hands. And if some remains, I'm going to even apply that on my legs and just, hop into the shower. It's all done. I'm going to leave this on for around 10 minutes, and once it's dry, I'm just going to hop into the shower. I'm not going to let this over dry.
Here's a hair care tip I swear by. Use a scalp scrub. If you do not have any, just take a little bit of coffee in the palm of your hands and add in your regular shampoo. Mix it up and massage this into your scalp. This literally helps to get rid of dead skin cells, improves blood circulation and promotes hair growth. Plus it leaves your scalp feeling so refreshed. Another favorite hair care tip is to combine your conditioner with any hair serum of your choice. This step just makes your hair so soft, shiny and frizz-free. Trust me, this makes such a huge difference in how your hair looks and feels.
After the shower, I feel so fresh, but also like super sleepy because it's like 12:47 right now. We started doing this entire glow up at around 9:15 or 9:30. I'm not very sure, but somewhere around 9. And I think it's time to actually wrap things up pretty quick. So for now, I'm going to go in and do my nighttime skincare routine. This is literally the most important time that you basically just stick to your, normal skincare routine and not try new things, because since you do not want your skin to react and you want your skin to glow with the products that you're already using. So yeah, that's my small little advice. I'm going to do a quick little face massage. So I'm using this oil from Color Bar and I'm just going to apply like a decent amount all over so that the tool can glide on super easily. I literally felt so good. It is time to take care of my hair now, so I'm just going to, follow the basic steps like a leave-in conditioner and a serum. I'm done blow drying my hair and my hair literally feels so soft. The next step for this glow up is going to be a sheet mask. It's actually an overnight sleeping mask. So I did use the Gadriann sheet mask, on my 30th birthday, and the glow was insane, you guys. So of course I'm going to do that again for stepping into the New Year's, because I absolutely love the glow. And of course a glow up drink, which I did not include in the start of this video but towards the ending of this video, because I want to wake up with glowing skin. So let's go to the kitchen and make that.
Tonight's glow up drink is saffron water. Saffron is loaded with antioxidants. It helps brighten, fights pigmentation, and is amazing for your overall skin health.
While our glow drink is actually, getting ready, we are going to put on the Gadriann sheet mask. Mask is on and our glow drink is ready. So literally tastes like normal tea. I'm going to drink this, call it a night, and see you tomorrow morning. Before we sleep, I'm going to, do a little bit of Bodycare. I'm using the Vaseline's Dewy Radiant Serum and Lotion, and I like to mix this with some vitamin E capsule. This literally keeps my skin super glowy. So this is like a tip for you guys to start using vitamin E in your skincare routine. 2 p.m. so I need to sleep. I have been wanting to try these heatless curling rods for a while, and this was literally supposed to be done last night, you guys, but I was super sleepy and tired, so let's get this done right now. This is literally so cute, you guys.
And that's my outfit for New Year's. It's actually a dress that was strapless and kind of plain, so I just added in this cute little top.
And that's my glow up, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had so much fun filming this entire process. Wishing you a very happy new year, and I will see you in 2025.